Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try. Alright guys, we're back. Got to bring in the last little bit of this pile of wood. I also got some wood in the truck from a tree that came down in the neighborhood. I got to dump that out of the truck as well. I'm going to get this off and get going. As you can tell, it snowed here, and you know, it's been pretty much 0 at night, and during the day it's been up to the 20s. But alright, here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. As I was going through some old videos and checking out what accomplishments I made for the year, I noticed there's a lot of video content that I have from the winter and into the spring. Here's a throwback to a little bit of last year and into the spring of stuff. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and most important, guys, don't forget, hard work feels good. Give it a try. Like I was saying, a tree came down in the neighborhood, picked it up. Nothing wrong with taking a little free firewood. You know, I used to have a cap on the truck, and I'm just curious to know what your thoughts are. I took the cap off. It seemed like it was more of a hindrance, but now it seems like I kind of wish I had the cap on. But I'd love to hear your comments, suggestions. I mean, it's kind of a pain to take the cap on and off by yourself. Alright, let's have at it. Bring in the wood, stacking it.
So this last bundle, guys, I'm gonna set this up. I don't know if you guys do it or not, but I cut little pieces to fit the voids in the stove. So my pieces are 16 inches long that I cut. The back of the stove is 16. The front of the stove is about 19 and a half, about 20 inches. So I always have a little void, so I like to cut little pieces and then shove them in. So I'm gonna take a break. All right, guys, I'm back. As you can tell, got quite a bit stacked in the truck. I got the saw running to warm it up to cut some of the pieces, like I was saying, to shove them in the stove in those little voids to get longer burn times, especially on the overnights. Alright guys, as you can see, I got to make some repairs to the pallets, maybe put some new pallets down. These are about 5 or 6 years old of me doing this. At some point I'll redo them, re-secure them, and keep stacking and splitting. So here I am, I'm using my Stihl 180C. Smaller pieces to, like I said, it's pretty cold out. It's probably close to like 15 degrees. Gotta let the machines warm up a little bit before you use them, but So as you can see, guys, it makes some nice little pieces, quick and easy. you know, I sharpened the chain before. I know I didn't catch it on the video, but watch my video on sharpening chains. You'll see what I'm talking about, just to give you the general idea, and filling up the machine with the right fuel and bar oil. But I'll catch up with you guys on the next one. All right, until then, you know, don't forget, hard work, it feels good. Try it.